bathroom in the Natick Mall. But this is Chantel. As you guys all know, that's all my stuff. Look at Becky spazzing out about the bathroom in Natick Mall. Oh my goodness. What the hell is up with this? Oh my god, that's Brooke. Abby. Watch my stuff. This is like an amazing bathroom. Amazing bathroom. That's people. This place is huge. She's hot. Alright, back to my friends. Someone smells like poop in there. I have to go. Bye.